Walton Goggins has a vodka. Walton Goggins has a vodka. Walton Goggins has a vodka. Goggins has a vodka. Walton Goggins. Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. It me, Uncle Pete. I was just thinking about beloved actor Walton Goggins. The holiday season is upon us, and that means it's time for Walton Noggins. So for this you're gonna need an egg. I gotta get an egg. And you're gonna need some cream.
Ooh, daddy thick.
Of course, you'll need Walton Goggins' very own Accept No Substitutes Mulholland whiskey. Please accept a substitute. Immortal power, plug it in. I'm gonna put some sherry in it because I gotta get rid of this stuff and who cares? We're also gonna put in some Allspice Dram in honor of Maze Runner the Death Cure? Sure, why not? And we're gonna give it a shake. You know what else needs to get shaken up? Those clowns in Washington.
Walton Goggins has a vodka. Walton Goggins, it's not marijuana. Walton Goggins has a vodka. Walton Goggins has a vodka.
So how does it taste? It's fucking eggnog, it's delicious. If that weird nonsense was meaningless to you, don't worry. I'll be putting out a regular cocktail video soon. This was a blatant attempt to get listeners of my favorite podcast, Jordan Jesse Go, to subscribe to the channel. So tuppies, punch a blimp, subscribe, help a fella out. The rest of you, this is actually a fine eggnog recipe. I'll put it in the description. We'll see you on Tuesday. Bye!